Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we will learn about list comprehension and manual iteration of an iterable. So to start with, I have a list with 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I want to add 10 to all elements, then I can run a for loop on this. So it gets the length of list, which is 5, and range will be 5. So 4 indices will be created: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and L0 to L4 will be added 10. So it will become 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's see this. It becomes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now this is one way using for loop. If we want to use a list comprehension, then what we can do instead is we run it like this. I have the list here and I say x plus 10 for x in L. So this will take each element of x and add 10 to that and assign that to list. So since the for loop will learn for all 5 elements, 10 will be added to all 5 elements. Let's see this. There you go. Now you can also have nested loops in this, which you can see here. I have two strings ABC and DEF. I run an outer for loop for x in ABC and then an inner for loop y in DEF. Then I add x and y. So first it will have AD, AE, AF followed by BE, BD, BE, BF followed by CD, CE, CF. Let's see this in action. That should be our list. There you go. Now you can also add if statements to this. For example, this is our list. I can say that if x greater than 2, then it will print me only 13, 14, 15. Okay, let's see this. It printed me only 13, 14, 15. Now for manual iteration, what we need to do is we need to call underscore underscore iter underscore underscore and then underscore underscore next underscore underscore. Any iterable which allows which implements these two functions will have that. So since L is our list, it will have these two functions implemented for us. So I print each element here, I get the iterable object here, and then on that I iterate next. When it reaches the end, it will raise an exception for stop iteration, and then we break out of the loop. Let's see this. It should print us the same list again. Oops. Seems somewhere it is wrongly commented. Oh, it was not saved. So it prints the same thing as you can see in the output. Now, if you don't like this notation, you can say iter here, which is equivalent to that, and then you can say next, like that. It will print the same thing. So that's how you implement manual iteration of an iterable. So let's say you want a class which can be traded upon it's a container of elements, then you must implement these two functions for your class, and then any user of that class will be able to iterate either in a for loop or manually like that. And list comprehension we have discussed. In our next video, we will see on three functional elements of Python: map, filter, and reduce. That what they do. So I hope you have found this video with good information, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks a lot for watching the video. If you want me to make video on a specific topic, please let me know in comments. And if you have questions, please ask in comments. I'll try to answer those questions. Happy programming.